All right, so today we're going to take a quick look at this tactical hiking backpack. All the way around, it has nice compartments, nice zipper compartments. The zippers they're highly functional. It's got the MOLLE system here in front. These zippers, like I said, they're highly functional. Of course, a little bit difficult to do with one hand, but nice deep pockets. Some of the compartments have like storage organizers, as you can see right there. But I really like this top portion here. It's got a little bungee area here, but I did unzip this part right here. Give me a second here to get in here. So sorry about that. It's got like a nice deep compartment right in the heart of the pack here, and the compartment has plenty of space. It's got a little bit of a netted kind of divider system in the front, and then another zippered compartment within. On each side, it's got really nice compartments as well. I like the way that the bag feels pretty durable. Feels thick. The material feels really thick. And like I said, this is kind of a hiking tactical backpack. So it's got for the waist area, kind of like some support on the waist area, and it can connect like a belt. So it kind of gives you the extra support if this bag is loaded with stuff, along with the shoulder bearing some of the weight. You can bear some weight with securing it around your waist as well. So I like that feature of the backpack, is that it can be kind of the shoulder carry and the secured around the waist as well. The waist pack sides also have little zippered pouches there. So the design of the bag is really nice because like every part of the bag seems to be useful, and I like bags like that because, you know, if you can figure out how much gear you need and you really load it up and be able to organize it within this bag. So I do hope this review was a little helpful, and I hope you have a great night. Thanks. Really like that it opens all the way up like that.